And I can go ahead and do this whole top one. And just decide how long I'm going to need the very top piece. So I'm going to cut that like that. And it's a little difficult because you got to shape this how you need it. So what I would do, just figure out the shape of it. And you can cut these at an angle. So you can make triangles out of this. Sometimes you'll have to add some more though. Yep, I made that too small. So I can put it down here. And then go ahead and do one more layer up there, which would be the easiest thing to do. So I'm just going to put some hot glue on this. And do some more. Glue stick, melt, hold it there. No, it won't fall out. I'm going to cut one more long piece. I'm going to end up with a couple of triangles left over. So you can really cut this stuff just however you need it to be. Whatever shapes. It's so much fun to work with. See what that did to the chain? I mean, it just stepped it up. And I like to do it on the bottom too if I've done that. So what I can do, I just need to cut that middle one out there. Like that, to make kind of a V. And then I'll just glue that there. Again, I'm going to start with the middle. So you want to get that point on there first. So just tap it down. Because the glue does get between these little diamonds. So you just quickly tap so you're less likely to burn yourself doing that. Tap, tap, tap. I could leave it like that or go ahead and fill it in. You can go ahead and just hot glue that or hot glue the back. It doesn't matter. In these little spaces. Okay. See how I just filled that in like that? I just added so much. You could go through on all the blacks and do that. It just depends on the look you're going for. And just I always save these little scrap pieces because you never know when you need some weird shape like this. And I could go through with little corners on all the blacks. So just keep cutting shapes of three little triangles. Going all the way up. Just have to work your scissors in between those things, those little diamonds. See how cute that is. Go ahead and glue those too. Since it's such a small one, I'm going to go ahead and just put the hot glue on the ribbon itself. Pull off all the hot glue. See how cute that is? That's a really different chain to use. I've been doing them for a couple of years now, but not very many people do anything like this, so it's a good way to do something new and different and just decorate them however you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.